Hello everyone and welcome to livelaw. There's a big news from Supreme Court. In a landmark decision, the court has extended the application of its October 2022 order to all states and union territories. Now, if you're wondering what this order is about, let me tell you. It directs the police to take Suo Motu action against hate speech cases without waiting for any formal complaint. That means, regardless of the religion of the speaker, the cops have to spring into action and register an FIR against hate speech. Previously, this order was only applicable to governments of NCT of Delhi, Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh. But now, the court has mandated that every state and union territory must follow suit. And if any government officials hesitate to follow these directions, they better watch out. The court has warned that any reluctance to act will be seen as contempt of court. So it's time to take hate speech seriously and take action against it. The bench comprising Justices K.M. Joseph and B.V. Nagaratna made this decision while considering a batch of petitions that sought action with respect to various instances of hate crimes across the country. The court in its order directed that if anyone utters words or takes action that fall under Section 153A, 153B, 295A and 506 of the IPC, the authorities must take immediate action to register cases and go after the offenders. Yes, even if nobody complains, the authorities must act fast to protect the harmony and brotherhood of the country. The order was passed in response to an application filed by Advocate Nizam Pasha, who was seeking to curb hate speech. He suggested that each state should appoint a nodal officer to take charge of actions against hate speech. In March, the Apex Court had sought the response of State of Maharashtra in a contempt petition, which alleged that state authorities failed to take action against hate speeches made during rallies. The court was not pleased with this lack of action and called them out on it. They even went as far as to question the very purpose of having a state if they are not going to do anything. But it doesn't stop there. In February, the court had already passed several directives to Maharashtra authorities regarding rallies held by Sakal Hindu Samaj. They had even ordered that the speeches be video recorded. During the hearing, the court expressed disappointment over the state of Maharashtra's late submission of a counter affidavit in the contempt petition. The Additional Solicitor General informed the court that FIRs had been registered for some cases and alleged that the petitioner did not point out other cases where action had been taken. The Solicitor General argued that the remedy was already available under CRPC and the Tehseen Poonawalla judgment, while also acknowledging that hate speech is a serious offence. He submitted, and I quote, "Whenever hate speech takes place, remedy is to approach the concerned police station. If police refuse, invoke 156 clause 3 to approach magistrate." In this regard, he said that every instance of hate speech is now being challenged before the court, resulting in the court being reduced to a magistrate court. However, Mr. Parekh accused the state of inaction regarding repeated hate speech by certain individuals, and despite the Supreme Court's order, no action was taken. To avoid bringing politics into the proceedings, the bench asked all the counsel present to refrain from doing so. They emphasized that they are only concerned with upholding the Constitution and taking action, irrespective of religion or party affiliations. While the issue of hate speech is complex and sensitive, it's heartening to see that the Apex Court is taking a firm stand against it. The next hearing is on May 12, 2023, and this was Apurva Pandita, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. And remember, at the end of the day, it's important to prioritize the dignity and respect of all individuals, regardless of their religion. Thanks for watching.